In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite teammates to Asana. If you're building out your workspace or you just need a colleague to jump into a project, sending an invite in Asana is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the exact flow and share a few helpful tips so your teammates can get started right away. First, open Asana in your browser or launch the desktop app and sign in to the correct workspace or organization. It helps to confirm you're in the place where the work actually lives, so the people you invite land in the right environment. If you manage multiple teams or workspaces, look at the top area of the interface to make sure you've selected the one where you want to add people. Having this set correctly up front avoids confusion later. Next, look to the left sidebar and click People. This section is where you can see who already has access and manage invitations. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the full list. The People area acts like your members hub, giving you a clear view of your team roster and making it easy to add more collaborators without digging through project settings. Now, choose Invite Teammates. This opens the invitation window. It's designed to be simple, so you can send an invite in a couple of clicks. From here, you can stay focused on who you want to bring in, rather than hunting around for the right permission screen. In the email field, type the work email address of the person you're inviting. You can enter one address or multiple, separating them with commas. Double check spelling to ensure the message reaches the right inbox. If you see options to include a short note or choose a team to place them in, use those to give context. Letting someone know which project they'll be joining can speed up on onboarding. Keep in mind that some options you see here may depend on your plan and role. When everything looks good, click Send. Asana will deliver an email with a join link, and the person will appear as invited until they accept. If they don't see the email within a few minutes, suggest they check their spam or promotions folders, or try searching for Asana in their inbox. You can always resend the invitation from the same people area if needed. Once they accept, they'll have access based on the defaults for your workspace and any team you selected, and you can start assigning tasks to them immediately. That's it. You've invited your teammates to Asana and set them up to collaborate right away. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.